Edo Governor Obaseki don tok say enough is enough for politicians and say politics must change as e suppose be wetin dem take help the people comot from poverty, no be to make dem poor pass as dem dey before. Oga Obaseki yarn dis one when he carry waka go Afuze go inaugurate senior special assistants SSAs and special assistants SAs wey shele for Edo State College of Education Afuze for Owan East local government area of Edo State.
Each one of you standing in front of me now as senior special assistants to the governor of Edo State. The powers vested in me in the Constitution, I this day inaugurate each and every one of you as special assistant to the governor of Edo State. Congratulations.
The governor tok say im come inaugurate the SSAs and SAs to show im love and care for Owan people and say im go take care of them wella. To the SSAs and SAs, Oga Governor come draw their ears say im no wan hear say dem comot from their base as dem no go fit dey stay for Benin or Auchi come dey work for here, and say the moment im get that kind report im go get letter to replace dem. E come still tell dem say if dem no go stay for the community to work, make dem let am know now make im look for those wey go work for dem for the party. Obaseki come still tok say dis no be just another employment, but im come to make sure say every ward get SAs and for some cases SSAs wey go be the eyes and ears for every ward, and say no week must pass without dem not send report of wetin dey shele for their ward.
I want to know how people are living in your ward, in your community. Are they able to eat? Can they go to the farms? If not, why? And what can we do about them? Politics must change. Politics is about our people. Politicians must care for their people. Enough is enough. We cannot say we're in politics and then we are poorer for it. Politics must help us get out of poverty. That is why I am here. If I can come and inaugurate you here, it means that I don't want you to live here. You cannot be in Benin and be working here. Or in Auchi and be working here. So if I get a report that I am not in your base, you'll get a letter from me telling you that I've dropped you. Is that clear? You are not absentee SAs or SSAs.
On behalf of my SSA and SA to assure you that this is an opportunity to do more work, and we are not going to disappoint you, sir. We are going to go to the grassroots and ensure that we reach out to our people. We are going to be an intermediary between you and our people. And I want to assure you that whatsoever that is happening, we are definitely going to get back to you. Whatsoever challenges we cannot solve, we are going to get back to you.
Edo State Chairman of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), Anthony Azegbeme, come salute the people of Owan West and East local government area for their continuous support and say them know wetin dem don do for the party and the role dem play wey make them win the last local government election for the state. E come still talk say they need to collaborate and work wella to make sure say the party win for the coming 2024 governorship election for Edo State.
Today, we are in Afuze to do something we have not done for a very long time in the PDP, which is the inauguration of the special assistants and the senior special assistants to His Excellency. We've not done that for a very long time. Today, history is being made that we are gathered here, and we've gathered the two Owans here to say we acknowledge your presence, we acknowledge what you've done for the party. We acknowledge the fact that you returned your son in Owan West to the House of Assembly. To acknowledge the fact that you returned the council chairman for the two Owans. We cannot thank you enough. For those that are going to be inaugurated by His Excellency, I congratulate you in advance, but I can tell you that your work is cut out for you. It is not, if you were there before, this time around it's going to be much, much different, because we need to clear the ground before the forthcoming 2024 governorship elections.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Owa East local government area of Edo State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.